Hey guys, this is Kevin. Today I just want to show you guys how to check the oil level on a BMW. This happens to be a 2008 528i BMW, but it varies for a lot of models of BMW. So this will most likely help you out if your BMW doesn't have an oil dipstick to check the level. So anyway, there's nothing for you to do under the hood. It's all done inside, and I will show you right now. Let me close the hood for you guys. Okay. So the first thing you guys want to do is put your key in. Okay. So put your key in. Then turn the ignition on where all the lights turn on. Okay. You gotta go over here. We're gonna be using the knob and the menu button. You click the middle of the button and you go to info sources. You go down to service info. And this is where all your status of all your maintenance requirements are. You go to engine oil level. Okay, it says engine oil level, okay. But it's better and more accurate if you actually turn on the vehicle. And it takes a few seconds, guys. Like, make it take up to 2 or 3 minutes, but we'll see how long it takes right now. And we'll see if it needs any quarts of oil. I believe this one does need at least 1 quart. So, we'll see right now. Okay, it's updating, guys. You have to wait like this because the oil has to run and to give an accurate measurement. Okay, we're waiting. Still waiting. Fortunately, you have to keep waiting for this. You can't bypass anything of this, so you have to keep waiting. And the car's on right now, so it will be showing the oil level in a few minutes. There you go, guys. And that is how you check the engine oil level. And this car does need at least 1 more quart, because it's in the middle between minimum and max. So I'm sure it needs at least 1 more quart. It could need 2, but I'm pretty sure just 1 will do, because it says it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 more quart to it. Full synthetic 10W20. And that is how you check the engine oil level, guys. That's actually everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be posting my next video of about how to install the shadow lights on a BMW. in the night where they glow on the floor. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks a lot. Subscribe or like this video if it helped you out. Thanks.